Welcome back, 8th graders. So we are still in the process, in the early stages of narrative writing. And so the previous class we worked on Module 1, just kind of learning a little bit about what is actual narrative writing. So today we are going to focus on Module 2. And if you go to Google Classroom again, and you're going to go to classwork. I have given you a slideshow, Narrative Writing Module 2. I want you to access this. And when you access this, you're going to see, just one moment here, let me open this up. You're going to see a slideshow and it has several slides on it. And if you follow along with the video, you will know exactly which one that you're supposed to be working on, and you can see that, again, these are editable. So you're going to be typing right in these spaces as we go along with this. So we're going to start with this first slide on the personal narrative, and that is brainstorming. Eventually you will be writing a personal narrative on something that was important to you in your life. And so this brainstorming session will kind of take you through the process of eventually, what am I going to write about? So with that, and again, you're going to have to maybe go back and forth between the videos, but I want you to follow along with this one. It's a short video. It's a little over a minute long.
Let's get
and
into
then we'll talk
lesson
about it.
2 for narrative writing, which is all about brainstorming. And so the first thing that you're going to do to start the narrative writing process is to brainstorm a topic. And you want to be careful to pick a topic that is neither too broad nor too specific. And in order to help you do that, you will be completing your personal narrative brainstorming handout. And so if you're doing this in paper, it will look like this. Digitally, it'll look like that. So it's the same activity. And so you'll be working through this personal narrative brainstorming handout to really help you figure out the best topic to write about for your personal narrative. Well, then what we'd like you to do is to read through the narrative writing quilt. And this is the in-person print version, and this is the digital version. And so you'll read through the different writing topics that we've included for you on the narrative writing quilt. And so you can either choose a topic from the quilt or a topic that you thought of while brainstorming that you are going to use for your narrative assignment. So both of those activities are really meant to get your wheels turning, and it's time to now choose a topic. So pick what you're going to do, and then I will see you in the next video.
Okay, so middle schoolers, I'm going to have you focus on this first page where there are 7 boxes. And this is on your slideshow again. So I want you to, and again, in a brainstorming session, anything is acceptable. So memories that are exciting. I really want you to pick your brain and think about just anything in your life that you have great memories of that were exciting for you. Maybe it was an activity that you're involved in, maybe a sport, or maybe it was something at church, or maybe it was a family celebration like a wedding or a birthday or anything. Then we have memories that are scary, memories that are sad, memories that are frustrating, memories that are happy, memories that are funny, and then maybe some other ideas. And in the video, they mentioned a quilt that you can also get some ideas. And I will be posting that on Google Classroom as well because I don't believe it's on your slide. So I want you to take a minute and complete this page just to brainstorm on that eventually what topic you will be writing your personal narrative on.